Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the previous video we learnt about the concept of powers and exponents, and we had learnt about the laws of exponent. Now we will go further with exercise 13.1 by using the laws of exponents. Question number 1. Find the value of. You have to find the value of the given expression, that is in the form of powers and exponential form. That is 2 raised to 6. That means 2 is multiplied, children, 6 times. It is not to multiply 2 into 6, 12. 2, the number in the base, you have to multiply that many times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you multiply 2 for 6 times, you will get your answer as 64. Secondly, we have 9 raised to 3. That means 9 multiplied 3 times, you get your answer as 729. 11 raised to 2. That means 11 is multiplied twice. 11 into 11, you get here 121. Similarly, next you have 5 raised to 4, where you have to multiply 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. You get your answer here as 625. Question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Now we have to count and put it in the form of exponential form. Okay. So here 6 is multiplied 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. That means 6 raised to 4. Here A into A into A. That means here there are 3 different alphabets given to us. Okay. But all you have to list out differently. Where A is multiplied 3 times. So A raised to 3. You can write it A raised to 3 also. Multiplied by C raised to 3. And D is only 1 time. D raised to 1 or only D. There is no need of children to write 1. Whenever you do not have any power with you, it is always understood that it is 1 only. Okay. You can put it in this form also and this form, both are same only. Question number 3. Express the following numbers using exponential notation. Same way you have to put it, first we have to find the factors, because here the factors are not given, it is given the number. So 512 we have to find the prime factors of 512. Children, we have learnt in the previous classes how to find the prime factors using division method. So you can see the prime factors of 512, where 2 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 times. So 2 raised to 9 is the exponential form of the number 512 over here. Similarly, 343, find the prime factors, that is 7 into 7 into 7. That is 7 multiplied 3 times. So 7 raised to 3 or 7 cube, 1 and the same. Question 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. The first one given to us here, 4 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 4. Among the two, which is greater? Let us first list out. 4 raised to 3 is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 3 raised to 4, that is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 81. Okay. So 64 and 81 among the two, which is greater, children? 81, right? That means 3 raised to 4 greater than 4 raised to 3. Similarly, the second one we have to answer here, 5 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 5 here. 5 raised to 3 is 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. 3 raised to 5, when you multiply 3 for the 5 times, children, you will get 243 as your product. That means 243 greater than 125, which means here 3 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 3 over here. Question number 5. Express each of the following as the product of the powers of their prime factors. That means here too we have to find the prime factors and we have to put it in the exponential form. Okay. So 648 has the prime factors here as this, that is 2 multiplied 3 times, so 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3 raised to 4. So this is the product of the prime factors of the given number 648, which we have listed in the form of exponents. 405 has the prime factors as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5, where 3 multiplied 4 times, so 3 raised to 4 and 5 was only 1 time, so you write only 5 or 5 raised to 1, 1 and the same thing. Question 6, simplify. We have to find the value after simplifying it, where 2 is multiplied 10 raised to 3, that means 10 multiplied 3 times, 2 into 10 into 10 into 10, that means 2 into 1000, we get our answer here as 2000. That is 7 square into 2 square, that means 7 to be multiplied 2 times, 2 also multiplied 2 times. So 49 multiplied by 4, the product we get here is 196. Okay. Similarly, number third, 2 raised to 3 into 5. 2 is multiplied how many? 3 times and 5 1 time. When you multiply the product 8 into 5, the product will be equal to 4040 over here. Question number 7, simplify. Here also we have to simplify and get the value. Minus 4 multiplied 3 times, because the power here is 3, minus 4 raised to 3. So 1, 2 and 3 times when we multiply minus 4, 4 into 4 into 4 we get children 64. As we have learned the rules of integers, 3 negative signs, when we multiply the product will be negative only. So minus 64 is our answer. Next we have here minus 3 into minus 2 raised to 3. So minus 3 and minus 2 multiplied 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So you can see when we multiply the number 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24. Okay. And as in multiplication the number of negative sign is even, the product is going to be positive, that is 24 only. Question number 8, compare the following numbers. Children, now we have to compare that which is greater among the two. Here 2.7 into 10 raised to 12, 1.5 into 10 raised to 8. Now children, just don't focus this decimal number, just go with the base 10, the number that is given into exponential form with the base 10. Here 10 has power 12, that means 12 zeros will be there here, and here 8 zeros will be there, right? So obviously the number that is 12 zero will be larger, so don't need to multiply, don't go and multiply and get your answer, just pick out from here. So this number will be greater here. Okay, go with the next one. 4 into 10 raised to 14 and 3 into 10 raised to 17. As I told you, only focus with the base 10 here, the powers given, where 10 raised to 14 and 10 raised to 17 here, that means 17 0. The number here will be with 17 zeros here, that means this number is going to be greater, that is 3 into 10 raised to 17 will be greater than 4 into 10 raised to 14 over there. So with this children we end the first exercise here, 13.1 here. Hope you understood few rules about the exponents. Now we will go further in the next video. Bye bye.